Hi there, I'm Larissa from Botanical Paperworks. If you're watching this video, then you're most likely ready to start planning a wedding. Wedding planning can be overwhelming. You'll be juggling a lot, so it's a good idea to get organized right from the start. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY wedding planner binder using free printables off of our blog. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is gather supplies. A 1-inch or 2-inch binder, hardcover, softcover, or zip-up, whatever you prefer. You'll need tape, binder clips, colorful pens in your choice of color, and a hole puncher. This will be for all of your wedding planner pages off of our website. I've already printed mine here and hole punched them. I chose pink, but you could also choose the cream or blue color options that we have. You may also want to use page protectors since this binder will be at your side over the next year, but that's up to you. You'll also want page dividers, as well as sticky notes, page protectors, crafting scissors, and envelopes. Now, set up your binder with cover pages and categories. Follow your timeline as you work through this. Work backward from your wedding date. For example, you need to know your budget, ceremony details, guest list, and reception details first. Your honeymoon details can go near the back, unless you're planning to travel internationally for your honeymoon, in which case you may want to book your flights and hotel at least 4 months in advance. Remember, keep referring to your timeline. Organize the binder in an order that makes the most sense for you. Put your notes, sketches, orders log, and appointments at the front of your binder for easy access. You'll be referring to these often. Use your own personal calendar for reminders and to-dos, as there will be a lot to keep track of. Print out a few extra sketches pages under categories where you feel you might need room for brainstorming. The attire and beauty categories are great places for this. The other section is great for extra details about the bachelorette party, gift registry, vows, engagement party info, wedding shower notes, or speeches from the reception toasts. Put a few notes and sketches pages here. You can use Ziploc bags to keep loose or small papers that are already hole punched for binders. If you want to skip the plastic though, a manila envelope works fine too. Just hole punch the vertical side. Now you have a place to hold receipts from the florist, wedding stationery samples, or business cards from friends who have referred wedding services to you. A spare pen and page reinforcements can also go in here. The nice thing about creating your own wedding planning binder is it gives you opportunities to get creative. Try collaging cutouts from wedding magazines on your sketches pages. Use inspiration from Pinterest.com to find wedding inspiration and styling ideas. Collect some scrapbooking supplies to decorate your cover. Stickers, feathers, fabric, whatever you like. And that's it! Your wedding organized into one beautiful binder, all of your ideas secure in one place. If you're looking for more wedding planning tips, sign up for our newsletter, follow us on social media where we share helpful articles as well as new seed paper wedding products that are both eco-friendly and stylish as well. If you found this video helpful, leave us a comment below, share this with your friends, and happy planning!